master role, take control of other players. I hope Simon's in this one, you know. I hope so.
This person can control another player for 10 seconds. When they do, this person can control another player for 10 seconds and kill with them. So things may not be as they seem. However, when they do it, they will stand still. So if I see anyone randomly stop, it's probably them.
What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oi!
Yes! Understand when and where kills happen. Ooh.
Ooh, the medic?
Investigator, find all imposters by examining everyone's footprints. Ah, yeah, this is quite useful actually, it's quite powerful.
No roll, please, just make me normal. Yes, we'll take it. Right, we're back with a bang, and it's time to play some serious Among Us.
I got something special. I got something unique. I love this.
I'm going to be the best crewmate the world has ever seen. I'm going to do all my tasks. People just don't do enough tasks nowadays, so I'm going to actually complete
If I had the Puppet Master role, and if you stop moving when you use it, would you not stop in front of, like, where you do a task? Just stop in front of there. Pretend like you're doing the task, but then press control and then control the other people, you know what I mean?
every single task in record time.
I am become so much white. Oh, he's standing still and shit. I'm scared. So there's a role for the Puppet Master now. And you're gonna stand still. Doing it at lights would be a good idea.
Okay, I'm gonna fire laser beam.
Oh, I'm in control. What the? I've controlled Lockie. What the? No! No! How? I'm not. I know it's Harry. I know it was Harry. He doesn't kill anybody. He doesn't kill. Okay, now you're Harry. You're literally. I'm getting you now. Gotta say, I got a little scammed with the roll there. I think it might be bugged a little bit. It was a bit glitchy.
Wait, who's that bat, bro? Who the f is that?
Am I gonna shield Deji?
Oh, jeez, I'm gonna track
you. You know what? I'm gonna be a nice person. Here, Dej. Enjoy that shield.
Now I can see his movements. Oh, I know exactly where he is. Oh my gosh, I know exactly where he is.
Deji would have killed me if he was imposter, so Deji's imposter.
So JJ is... Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
What did you see, you donut?
JJ is... So JJ is... So JJ is...
Ah, it just changed. Is he a donut?
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Wait, hear me out now.
Yeah.
Hear me out.
Download.
Wait,
There you
wait,
go.
let me hear me out. Hear me out.
I still vote Deji here, man.
Oh my days, bro. So I literally, I put a tracking thing on JJ. Oh, I'm probably gonna get voted. I put a tracking thing on JJ. Basically,
You're dead.
no, basically JJ vented. It showed me that he vented. All right.
Where?
What?
He was top right, then he went bottom left. I don't know, but yeah, the tracking thing told me that he vented.
He vented from top right to bottom left.
Is that even possible?
You can't do that. You can't vent that.
I was following the arrow, right?
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden the arrow just teleported to, it was showing me that he was
I'm
top
just
right.
help you out here, Dej. It does it in intervals.
It's
So
like updates over
you
time.
you see an arrow of him where he is, and then you get another alert 5 seconds later of where
Yeah,
he is then.
he could have killed me then.
I'm
and
not gonna
didn't.
lie, let's save ourselves a third imposter.
Yeah.
Fucking idiot.
No, wait, are you
No,
please?
no, no,
Look,
skip,
no,
skip,
because
skip,
I
skip,
barely,
skip.
you know, I barely had a
I'm
chance to
scared.
play. All right.
I voted him straight away. I voted him straight
Let him
away.
live, man. Let him live. He's not had a chance to play.
Just a
man.
reminder, everyone, don't announce your roles. I don't know if guess is on right now, but don't announce your roles.
I'm not.
Well,
Don't do it.
Deji said he was the tracker, so
That's what I mean. I'm not.
He's lying, he's lying, he's lying.
Lachlan, skip.
No, I have information. I was controlled that round.
Did you enjoy it though, Lachlan?
No, I didn't enjoy it, and I was scared someone was going to kill someone, and then I have to explain myself. I think it was Harry. Harry? Sus on you were standing still.
What have I done?
No. Keep your sus on Lennon.
Wait!
What have I fucking done?
Obviously, everyone can just claim. Like, everyone could just claim to... Okay. Can I not? Yeah, Lannon. Lannon's definitely controlling someone. I'm sorry,
Simon
Lannon
is.
is
This one I miss Simon. I love you, Simon. I love you.
100% controlling.
Alright, Lachlan, keep your sus on Lannon, bro.
Alright. See, look, he's standing fucking still off rip. He's standing fucking still. He's standing still. And he stands there. And he stands there. And now he's back. It's definitely fucking Harry. There ain't no two ways about it.
Yeah, no, that shit was bugged. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna still try and pull this one out, Sidemen fans. But I'm actually not gonna take responsibility if I do absolutely nothing with this role. I know it's gonna be a title of the video or some shit, and I know I'm the first round in it, and I'm meant to put on a masterclass, but it's not gonna happen.
Let me check in here. He's dead.
Let's try this again.
I swear to God, if I get controlled again. Look at me being an NPC doing tasks. Oh, fuck off, bro.
Oh my
Fuck
gosh.
off, bro.
Yeah,
No,
it's locked.
Yo, guys, dead us. I was controlled.
I think he was controlled.
No, I was. Dead us.
Okay, no, I actually have a thing. Can I say, I do think that would be a great cover. If
No,
you
it
are-
was.
It is
But that's
a
what I
great
say.
cover.
Nah,
You're getting control.
no, okay, guys. Also, did
great
everybody
cover.
see at the start Harry just stand still for like the whole 10 seconds at the start off rip?
I didn't see that.
Yeah, but that's such a Harry thing to do.
I
I
was drinking a bottle of my water actually.
Yeah, it's such, Harry does
Actually,
drink.
I think-
Ooh, water and not tea. Suspicious.
Nah, I've seen him drink that before.
Wait, I might be wrong here. Was he not running around at the end when you were being controlled?
I don't know, but like I was controlled. Me?
Yeah.
Dead set. Someone in electrical controlled me.
Who was in electrical? Daddy, you walked in there last.
Oh no! Stop it! I've already said what I am, bro.
It was me, Harry, Lachlan, and JJ.
Wait, where is the body?
Electric.
Okay.
I had my map up on the screen, and and then the kill happened in the background.
When I got, so you weren't moving.
I was slightly moving.
Oh. Oh. You changed the story now. I said you were running around.
Me and Laserbeam were in reactor.
And me, Randy, and I ran into
Yeah,
security.
Toby was on cameras. Yeah. Don't worry, I was getting there.
I think Laser could kill Toby right now, right? Or you could have.
Lannon. Where were you, Lannon?
Randy just said I was there, Simon. Go
Where?
fuck yourself.
Yeah.
I was in reactor.
What,
I was in
standing
reactor.
still?
4 people vouch. Yeah, you fucking suck, bro.
Randy, what was he doing in there?
Fucking nerd, bro.
He was doing the reactor off, turning it off. He was moving around. Moving around.
Standing
He was
still,
moving.
you might say.
Oh, he was standing over the security cameras.
Exactly! Woo! Lachlan's just going to be controlled the entire time, and at some point, we are going to have to vote him out. And I feel bad.
Lannon fucking controls me one more fucking time, bro.
Alright, I'm doing nothing this round.
Look at me. I'm gonna be at the top of that stat list for doing tasks. Lannon's controlling me. You're fucking controlling me. You're gonna control me soon. I'm gonna report you before you control me. I'm gonna do it.
Let me go phone him. Let me go phone him.
No, I'm not. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Wait, what was? Wait, something just happened. Someone died. It goes blue when someone dies.
I'm gonna stay away from Lockie because I think he's getting controlled by the people, by the haters.
I need the lights off so I can hide and control.
Keeping on Lannon. I know he's gone that way.
If I take lock. Oh.
What happened?
I mean, there's a body in electrical, so but that's my vouch, so that's sick.
Who's on the left of the map? Anyone? Own up?
Me, I am.
I got locked in storage with Simon and Dutch. Not storage, cafeteria.
I feel like all the Pokemon are getting killed.
Vic, you did oxygen with me. I just want to say, I still maintain it would be a great fucking vouch for yourself to say I got mind control, because I did see Lachlan run down to electrical as we did oxygen, by the way, because I was running around on top of him for a whole game, and then oxygen happened, so I split up because that's the fucking job. And then
Why were
someone
both
did
of you,
electrical.
Lockie? Why were you
No.
running away from O2?
Because I ran to the other O2. But
Why'd you
here's the
run
thing.
down to the left there? I had to do my left and right real quick.
Left? Yeah, you didn't.
I ran right to
Can I throw some lights?
chill.
Vic,
I have valuable...
the body was in electrical.
Yeah, I don't know where it is.
And Pies on cams.
Can I throw some light sus out? I feel like if Simon was crew, he would have called me out for when oxygen went off. I was hanging around the left-hand side. I feel like the first thing you'd say is,
Did
why
he
are you
not
there?
hear me just then?
He literally just called you out for that exact thing.
I literally just called you out, Pies.
No, I'm in
so Simon's
reactor.
clear.
I am in reactor.
Who said Simon's clear?
Toby.
I don't know why he'd say that.
Toby,
What?
Toby, that's a kind of mental thing to say.
Why?
Yeah, I don't know about
No, he's saying it because Pi said if Simon would
That's,
have
that's a
called me
mad.
out.
That's a bit of a
Straight
mad
away,
thing to
yeah, but
say.
straight
Why is
away, I
that?
feel like you would have said
I'm
that
skipping
it was
anyway.
poor for me to do
But
that.
that's a bit of a crazy thing to say.
Wait, why is
That's
that
a-
mad?
No,
I feel
no,
like you
no.
just ignored Pi's conversation.
It's a bit mad.
Oh my god.
Guys,
whatever.
Harry stood still again for 10 seconds. Watch out, he's gonna control you, and it hurts.
I cannot let the oxygen get depleted. I must save my friends. 0, 4, 3, 7, 8. I did it. They can all thank me for that. If I get the blame
I
now
did
after
it.
I've just saved them,
I did
there'll
it.
be hell to pay.
Harold is just fucking standing there again.
He hasn't let go of it being Harry. What a donut.
And he stands there! And he stands there!
I get sus with me for the dumbest shit, man.
No, he's just taking the piss. It's definitely Harry.
Okay, I'm gonna go back to control. I don't know if I keep doing Lockie, but I think maybe it's because of lag. I can't actually control him or something. It's shit is weird.
I don't want to swap until. Alright, look. Dej. Let me. Please don't kill me.
Alright, now I know Simon is saying.
I'm controlled.
Wait!
You fucking. I've been controlled and killed Deji.
No, I actually think it is Simon.
You-
That's bullshit. That's actually bullshit.
So, okay, Simon, who entered the room and was seeing you kill a body and you had to quick report and come up with that bullshit?
Yeah,
I'm just
it's a
saying.
good story,
Okay,
to be fair.
Okay, where is everyone? Where is everyone?
I'm-
No one will be near me.
I'm with Lannon at Cam, so it's not me.
Yeah, okay, you're both at Cam's. You're
Yeah.
at O2, Vic.
Me and Toby are both on the generators, and
Okay, you're both at node two.
me and Toby
Harry?
could not have controlled. So
Okay. Harry, where are you?
Yeah, here we go.
I was in admin, and I was running up towards the arrow at the top.
Okay, and Pi, where are you?
Bottom of cafeteria.
Okay, and I've done it. It's in medbay, so no one's near me.
I've
haven't
done it. You've done it. You've done it. I'm telling you now.
Pi,
That's
you're
it.
gonna look
Pi,
like
bro.
an idiot. I'm
Bro,
telling
But,
you.
but you're smart. You're smart.
That's
You're
not
smart.
even
You
meaning.
kill.
Pi,
You
that's
kill
not even
self-report. You kill
That's
on
not even
self-report. And then on 7, go 7. You've got one out saying we can't vote on 7.
let me just work on one thing. I know, like Toby couldn't have mind. I don't think he.
We were both moving just then. You
Yeah,
ran to the
but
other
actually, no,
node.
Toby. Why didn't you get on the right-hand node? Actually,
Oh, yeah, actually.
I was running up, bro.
you had time. He had time to get on the right.
What do you mean I had?
He had time to get on the node, and
It is
But I'm just saying,
I
actually, that's
also-
interesting. Interesting.
Actually,
I also want to say I've been sus of Lockie this whole time,
Yeah.
but we were both moving way too early.
Simon,
we
did
could
you
not have done
report the
that.
body, or did the person controlling you report
I
the body?
reported. You can
So
report.
you report. Oh, so if someone controls you, you can then report the body.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. That's interesting.
There's something's up
Which
here.
makes me sus a Lachlan that he didn't.
I was with Lannon at Cam's the whole.
No.
That was
Earlier rounds when
Yeah,
you
killed
when
someone
you
in electrical.
ki-
Yeah,
you
that-
didn't report it. I did.
Well, it was still happening really fast, you know. Like,
I think there's an imposter among us, boys.
All right, well, this is getting interesting. I've pulled it back a little bit. You just kind of need to control them when they're like on top of someone.
This mind control thing is very, very good. It's tough. It's tough because is it mind control or is it a lie? I'm a little more suspicious of Toby right now, if I'm being perfectly honest. So Toby's come down from that way. Lannon's holding. Everyone's just bouncing back into the
Random.
same spot.
I don't think it's Vig. Oh, that's literally Toby.
Dad, they killed me. They killed me, Ralph.
Lachlan, what do you want to say?
Okay, so Toby killed him, but I don't know if Toby was controlled, so it's what you want to say.
I didn't kill him.
No, you did. I literally saw it in front of me.
No, I didn't. You killed him.
Okay, no.
Oh, I don't know about that.
It's Toby.
Okay, well, I'm gonna place my vote, and I'll leave the rest to you.
We have to
I
vote
mean-
together here. We've got to make sure we vote together.
We
Alright.
definitely do.
It's
So that happened just in front of us, Lockie?
yeah, just in front of us. Just in front of us. It's literally right in
Who
front.
have you
Because
voted
I
for,
could.
Lachlan?
I know you two were there. I could not see it, but I'm gonna
Toby,
trust you here if you're saying.
Unless there's
it's-
some crazy lag and it was Lannon, but I'm pretty sure it's Toby. And Toby didn't say he
I'm
got
fucking
control.
like 3 meters behind you. I'm like so far.
I'm
3
inclined.
meters.
to think. I'm inclined to think it's Toby. Then I think Toby's had too much sus put on him this whole game.
Lachlan saw
For him
Toby
to-
kill and Toby saw Lachlan kill.
I had sus for no reason. Pi made a joke, and I made a joke off the back of that, and then I got sus thrown on me.
Yeah,
so,
I
like,
don't
what am
know
I gonna
if
do at
Toby's
that point?
sus is fair from this, but if Lockie saw him kill,
I was expecting Lockie to tell me he was controlled again. That's what I was expecting.
No,
Well,
that's what I was expecting
my
you
only
to say.
suss of Lockie is his control story, which might not be a story, might be real.
Yeah, I'm gonna fuck up the game.
I mean, it's
And
got to be one
he
of us.
definitely didn't do the previous one because
Yeah.
he was
Could it be
moving
the
too
two
much.
Aussies working together? Toby or Simon or Lachlan and Laser? Are they the
Yeah,
It's
two?
got to be
that's
either me or
what-
Lachlan, so you can vote me
It's
this
not
round
me.
and then vote Lachlan next round.
But I think it ends if we get this wrong.
Yeah, we'll do, but we have to vote for
Okay,
Toby,
guys,
right?
because of
Because
that,
that's the way
vote
the
me
Laser...
for- vote
But
me
Laser's
first
going to
and then
vote
vote
for
Lachlan
Toby,
next.
so we have to vote for Toby because that's the way them two are going to vote.
I think we got to go Toby.
Unfortunately,
I think
we have to.
we got to go.
Oh,
Oh my fucking god.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh
Sick.
my
Sick.
god.
Fuck's sakes,
no.
bro.
Now we're properly dead.
Oh,
Now we're really
fucking
dead.
cooked.
And vote Lachlan next round.
But I think it ends if we get this wrong.
Yeah, we'll do, but we have to vote for
Okay,
Toby,
guys,
right?
because of
Because that's the way the
vote me
Laser...
for- vote
But
me
Laser's
first
going to
and
vote
then
for
vote Lachlan
Toby,
next.
so we have to vote for Toby because that's the way them two are going to vote.
I think we got to go Toby.
Unfortunately,
I think
we have to.
we got to go.
Oh,
Oh my fucking god.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh
Sick.
my
Sick.
god.
Fuck's
oh,
sakes,
no.
bro.
Now we're properly dead.
Oh,
Now we're really
fucking
dead.
cooked.
Oh,
Toby got caught, by the way. That Simon's clear.
Also,
Come on, man.
fucking got swapped to take out the fucking puppet master, bro. That's sick.
Can you be the imposter and the swapper?
No, so I don't know who did the swapping, but I was puppet master and got taken out then. So
Right,
that's
right.
fucking
Oh.
scam. That swapper was massive, by the way. That actually saves the game.
that was so good.
What's the actual fuck? It's done now. The game's done. I can't win.
Well, how am I meant to get to oxygen?
No, can I not call it? Oh no, I can't call a meeting during. No. Ah! There's Toby. Run. Run! Run! Somebody fix the oxygen! Is the game gonna end? Oh, O2's here. Oh no, is the game gonna end?
No, come on! No!
Alright.
Have we just lost on this?
Ooh. Okay, so maybe we were right, and it is it is Lachlan and
It's
Laser.
not. It's not.
Well, Toby just did O2 instead of killing me, so...
No. Yeah, and Pi was doing O2 because I
did O2 and Harry didn't kill me once I'd done O2. Then I went round to the other O2 and Toby completed it. Yeah, because I
So
got
are we
there.
looking at a Lachlan or are we looking
It
at a
could be
Simon
Lachlan
Dobby?
and
It's
it
not
could
me.
be
It's not me. Like I could have killed Simon there if I was.
I have to vote you because of
Could it be
what I
a
saw
Simon
last
job?
time.
It's not me.
Could it be a Simon Jobby? No! Who's swapping this shit, by the way? That was, like, crazy.
Yeah, the problem is now is them two have voted for each other, so we can't vote Simon and Harry because it will split the
Just
vote.
don't
That's
say
the
who you're going
problem.
to vote for and vote, but don't vote for me. Fine, let's just go with our gut, and I think our gut will do it.
Okay.
We'll do it.
Okay.
It's very suspenseful.
Oh, no, because I shouldn't vote for Lachlan because I should split the pairs to be safe.
Why don't we just all skip? Why don't the three of us all skip?
But they're going to swap it anywhere!
No, if it skips, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't swap with the skip.
No,
Pat's like, no, I'm voting, fuck this.
yeah.
Guys, oh, yes, let's go! W in the chat!
Oh, shit!
Let's go! I think we win.
Alright, whoever is Swapper just had the craziest fucking game of their
Yeah.
life.
Who's
Holy
Swapper?
God.
Swapper just
fucking
dubbed
go!
that. Was it Simon?
Let's go, Simon!
What the fuck, Simon?
I'm telling you, bruv, I love Simon, man. He's a genius. He's a genius.
Simon, you are such a
my
fucking virgin,
God.
dude. Holy shit.
Oh, Simon, should be illegal for you to play this.
I called
Holy
Lannon out in the
fucking
first
hell.
5 seconds.
Man, I was almost having a good round there, man. That sucks. Fuck the Swapper, dude.
Well, that was a mad round. Oh dear, don't make me the bloody puppet master.
Can I have a break, please?
Swapper. Oh no, I'm not. Okay. After seeing Simon just pull off an absolute masterclass as Swapper, the game's decided to give it to me.
I've had my swapper game. Let me just be crewmate and die. Control me, actually. A medic. Who shall I focus on? You know what? Deji.
Wait, what? Mystic, when and where kills happen? How do I get that information?
Investigate. Find what? Oh fuck! What's up? I can see the footprints. So if I find a body, I'll be able to see the footprints that lead to the body. Wow! How exciting!
Drop the shield on Dej.
Oxygen off the rip. Who would do that?
How did Vic and Dej both go away?
I want to find someone stood still. Anybody?
No. Is it
I found exactly what I was looking for.
Right, Simon's such a fucking virgin. I hate him so much.
Arm control.
Dickhead.
Wait,
Please get
what? It went blue.
Alright, where was the body?
Middle of cafeteria.
Yeah, it's me controlled.
And you killed?
you-
Wait, this is good. Did you kill in middle of cafeteria?
Yes.
JJ was stood still in the ice room. I ran to the ice room because after O2, I was like, if you called O2, you would be stood somewhere far away controlling. I walk into the ice room, JJ's left ice room stood dead still. Dead still in the ice room.
Deji, why have you already voted me? I haven't even said
It's enough for
anything.
me. It's enough for
What
me.
the hell? You literally made this whole thing up.
He's not even
and voted me
he's not
out.
on a task. He wasn't even on a task, that's why he's crashing
I
out.
was
He's in the middle of the room.
Mike, no, let me defend myself.
Okay, go, defend.
I was in node one. I was in node one doing a task.
No, you were still in the middle of the room.
Yeah, I was doing the ice.
Okay, oh, no, is it on the table? Is it on the table? If it's on the table.
It's on the
Oh,
table,
no,
yes.
I apologise. I fucked up.
Oh,
already voted.
5 people have already voted me, you fucking idiot.
I didn't realise there was a task there.
Oh shit, he might be gone.
Oh my fucking
I
god.
apologise.
You guys voted for me. And I didn't even get to say anything.
If everyone
JJ,
skips,
everyone
I think
skip.
you're okay. I apologise.
If everyone skips, you're fine.
JJ, skip.
Yeah, it's not surefire. I think that I'm gonna go check if there's a task there where he was. I'm gonna go and check. I'm gonna double check now.
Fucking hell.
Everyone go check.
Wait, I thought I cooked, but I may have not cooked. Wait, is there?
Wait, unless Vic's just doing this to lure me up there. I don't want to go anywhere near Vic, man.
Is this a task? No, yeah, this is a task. Yeah, I think he was doing this one. I just don't have it as a task. That would have been bad.
I like it, you know. I kind of hope I just get controlled constantly. What if I'm on a task? Do they just pull me off it?
Fuck. Bro, you can't even stand still in this bitch anymore. Damn. Come sabotage.
He's standing on the download task.
I guess the good thing about this is there's so much sauce on me that I can't be killed.
It's definitely a kill. I've been controlled.
Also, the fact that Simon flipped it makes me really trust him. So, yeah, no, we'll... wrongly so.
Yeah, you know what? Fuck him.
Someone's trying it.
What?
I've been
So you can go
controlled
again.
again.
Dancing on his grave, huh?
Simon.
Yo, dancing on.
Simon, if you were
Dancing
the
on his
imposter,
grave.
you could just be lying and saying that you're being controlled.
Dancing.
Good.
Yeah, really good. And that's what
Yeah,
Lannon
but-
called lockdown out for
Dancing
last
on
time.
his
Exactly.
grave.
JJ, man,
This
give us
guy
a sec,
needs
bro.
to shut
Come
up,
on.
man.
JJ, please shut up before I vote you,
Sam, so,
please.
can you just like make us believe it's not you? You know?
I was with
okay,
Vic for a
so-
little bit.
I was
Oh,
doing
you
my
killed
weapons task.
Yeah.
I did kill him.
Yeah.
but yeah.
Okay, good.
I was doing my weapons task that
Whoa,
are asteroids.
that went up my arse.
Come on, players, game,
No,
man.
no,
Yeah.
I did kill him.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Okay, good.
I was doing my weapons task that are
Whoa,
asteroids.
that went up my arse.
What?
Come on, players, game,
No,
man.
that's fine.
I think JJ was standing still, by the way, doing download, and I thought,
Okay.
oh, there's going to be a dead body here, well, as I run off asteroids, and then I get controlled. So I think he was stood still and then ran, and then I got controlled. So I feel like it wasn't him,
Okay.
Thank
He's just
you.
doing tasks.
Thank you.
but potentially I didn't see where he went after that.
Hold on, he doesn't usually do tasks, by the way.
It is true.
I just want to do tasks because I never do tasks.
Trying to stab
Hey,
No, I get. I know.
it's JJ. It's JJ.
JJ, stop doing that, man. Stop doing that.
You're always gonna vote me.
Alright, it's JJ and Toby.
Don't stand still this entire round and Simon, let us know if you get control.
No, because I wanna do tasks.
But yeah, I killed him in admin, I think it was.
Okay.
Where am I?
Okay.
I want to
Yeah,
complete
admin.
tasks.
JJ and Toby, I'm calling it.
That's cool, bro.
Deji, suck yourself, man.
The one time I want to do tasks and everyone's sussing me.
Toby doing the business for us in this round.
I'm gonna let it cool off for a little bit. Let someone else do some damage.
I'm sorry, I have to stand still to do this task. Oh man.
Okay, so JJ is standing still, by the way. He's picking the most, like, standing still tasks, too.
They're gonna put sus on me because I'm doing tasks in random areas. Oh, you never do tasks, JJ.
Okay. Okay, he's just pretending to. I've never in my entire life seen JJ do task before. I've never seen him do that. He's just going from task to task. Nah, man.
Got the thirst for blood.
Hello, Pie.
Oh no, that was a...
Don't.
Fuck, I messed up my movements there quite badly. I went to kill Simon and didn't.
Wait, what? I'm being controlled.
Is somebody dead? Eyes running.
Alright, okay, I got controlled and killed Randy.
Okay. Nah. I can't do this.
Nah, man. It's impossible.
When did that happen?
This is horrible.
I don't know. Just now.
Just
the minute,
now.
Yeah, the minute it
Okay,
happened.
so it can't be Harry. Who just ran into into?
It was me. I just ran.
If it's just now, it can't be Harry. If it's just
Yeah,
now,
it can't be Harry because me and him were moving.
No, it can't be me because I just walked into reactor.
Pi is safe because Randy and Pi were walking together.
By that logic, is either Lachlan or Simon.
It's not me, but
I don't know how to tell you it's not me.
It depends how quick ago it was, because Simon ran.
Deji could have literally just done what you
No,
guys accused me of.
I didn't do that. My screen went red.
So
and
Lachlan,
then
Simon, or
bang.
Deji is who we have to have sus of. It's 7 anyway,
It
so
is
we shouldn't
7.
vote, right?
But that's fair. And JJ, by the way. Don't forget JJ.
Yeah, and JJ.
What was JJ's thing?
What?
No,
He
JJ
said-
ran
he
into
said,
reactor.
Oh, you guys saw me running into reactor, right? And no one said anything.
Harry, who ran into reactor with you?
Because they did.
I didn't see who ran. I didn't see who ran it. I
They
just saw you.
did.
It was 2 people that ran in, and if no one else is claiming it, then it was JJ.
That's weird from you lot.
No, it's not. I do it every
Deji, you're moving nuts, man.
Nah, I think it's you, Toby. I can't lie.
Okay.
Do you hear that guy? He can't lie. So if he says it's not possible.
Okay, now we cook. It's time to get cooking.
I just want to see like a dead body and someone else's footprints leading to them. That's all I want to see. All right, I did my tasks. Let's go. I'm best crewmate ever. Now, if everyone did all the tasks, we could have won the game already. Hope someone comes and kills me.
We've played a quiet game, and now we'll start to slice. If I can find someone to slice.
Hell yeah. Got what I wanted. Epic.
Bro. Fucking Pi needs to get some kills, man. I'm doing everything around here.
Wait, what? Oh my god! I'm still being controlled! I can't move!
Hold that, Dej.
Bro! Bro, I got controlled again. You're not gonna believe me, but I got controlled again. Now
what?
Now,
I killed
now,
2 people.
Now I know.
Controlled again
Now
and
I
killed 2
know.
people.
Now I know. It's definitely JJ
What?
and oh wait, no, it's Pi and Toby.
Why me?
Your
Whoa!
like your first 3 rounds are all JJ.
Well, so why is it
No,
changed?
no. Here's my reasoning now. Because when Randy got killed, Pi just carried on running, and he saw that Randy got killed, but he just
I
carried
didn't
on
see the
running.
kill. I didn't see the kill.
Really? But you were literally right next to it.
No, I didn't see the kill in the last round. That's why I didn't know where it was, because I ran past Harry, who was moving.
Well, Toby's definitely one of them.
Why?
I know. I just
Of
know.
what
You know
logic?
what? I'm
Who's
willing,
of
I'm
what
willing to
logic?
let Deji just, do his thing.
I'm voting Deji. Man.
We've got to make sure we vote together, though. We've
I'm
got to make sure.
voting
Deji's killed 3 people.
Pi, this is how it's going to go, by the way. Pi, me and Deji are both going to vote Toby. Toby and JJ are both going to vote Deji. It's on you.
But the swapper, if the swapper's still alive, they can just change whatever.
I was
So
correct.
then just skip Pi.
I was correct. It's the 2 blacks.
You just said it was Pi. Don't get gassed.
Oh no.
Pi.
Kill us
Pi,
with
you
it.
fucking idiot.
Oh, Pi, you're so so dumb, honestly.
I mean, it's not great when they give the deciding vote to an imposter.
I know.
You know, it's not great. Not that they knew.
Why did he not vote?
Why would you not vote you through, Pie?
Thank you, Toby. Because now they should. Oh no, we've called that too early.
Right, well, we lose. If there's 2 killers, someone go do lights, please.
We need to hope that no one gets here. And all we need is 1 kill. Ah! Come on! Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes.
Come on.
Yes!
Let's go.
Well played.
Let's
JJ.
go, Toby.
JJ, that's on you then.
Why is that on me?
Well played,
Because
Toby.
me and Deji voted for Toby. I knew he was imposter.
I voted for Toby.
You voted for Deji.
Oh, fuck.
This puppet master is too hard.
Oh shit, I'm imposter. Okay, right. Me and Pie, can we cook something? Let's see.
Another imposter game. Oh, this is where I get judged.
Again, man. Why are they giving me this responsibility? They know I can't handle it. They know I can't handle this responsibility, man. So why do they keep doing that?
Who's the imposter?
Right, me and Pie, can we cook something? Let's see.
Another imposter game. Oh, this is where I get judged.
Again, man. Why are they giving me this responsibility? They know I can't handle it. They know I can't handle this responsibility, man. So why do they keep doing that?
Well, my last imposter, I didn't kill anyone. So let's see if I can actually pull something off this time. See if I can properly bamboozle these people. Bang. According to the stat. Fuck. Fuck! God, I just... Bennett, he didn't see me. First to Harry, you... Oh, fuck you, guys. I get scammed out of my fucking puppet master game by some swapping bullshit. Fuck you all. I'm gonna go down to Lockie's office.
No.
Oh, cool. Cool.
There's someone here.
It's Lachlan.
It's
Just like, oh, fuck this shit. Yeah, I feel it. I feel it too, to be honest. Like, it's just, they made this recording at midnight, so, like, it's their fault.
You go on cams. Just check cams. I'll be on cams. Be on cams. All I'm doing is cams.
I'm gonna pretend to be the puppet master. Wait, what? No, wait, no.
Oh my god.
I said I was
it's so
gonna
laggy.
pretend. Don't make me kill. No! No!
No, I missed the button. Right. Okay. It's so laggy. I'm used to it now, though.
Alright, I see Simon dancing on cams. That we must Simon and Toby dancing on cams.
Holy shit.
JJ stood still.
JJ is just standing still. JJ is
Simon,
just standing
JJ stood still.
right now.
Oh crap, that's gonna look sus a little bit. Okay, let's just...
Guys, it's Lachlan.
I think Lachlan's being controlled.
Lachlan,
No.
please.
Okay.
Tell us.
I'm not gonna lie. I walked into electrical. I saw a dead body, and I just thought, all right. And then Deji and everyone walked through. Lannon's coming to join.
No, I'm just watching.
I was there as well.
Lannon's just watching. It's not me, but I just couldn't be bothered to report it because it was just so early. I was just like,
Can I ask an important question? Has anyone been controlled?
I have been controlled.
No, you haven't.
I have.
Buddy, you stood
In life
still.
or in the game?
Yeah, I stood
Simon,
still and then
He
I
was
got
there for
controlled.
20 seconds, Simon, before you got there, and he was
No, I
still
could see him. I could literally, I moved up a little
So
bit.
Deji is speaking facts, by the way. I walked into electrical, and then Lachlan was stood over a dead body. I was like, you know what? I'm not going to report it because I think Lachlan's being controlled, but he hasn't owned up to being controlled.
Now, wouldn't that be so bait of me to just stand in the middle?
Wait, are you saying of two separate people seem stood over the body?
Yes, me and Deji both saw that.
Yeah.
I think we all note that down and
Okay.
carry on. But
That sounds great. That sounds great.
But JJ, why are you fucking standing
Why
still?
you stood still, bro?
Well,
Do
because
something.
I just wanted to stand still.
You lied a
wait,
second ago and
wait.
said you've been controlled.
I did get control.
And control to stand still.
I got no.
How do you know?
Wait, why someone swap
nice
me?
one, swap.
Yeah, great swap there, mate.
Nice.
Great
swap.
Great swap. Nah, that swapper stinks.
I am quite literally the worst person to be the swapper in this game. Oh, I need to go and do my med base scan. Just claim I'm doing my med base scan.
Why is he like this? I hate JJ. Just move, bro.
I'm just standing still, man. Don't mind me. I'm just out here standing still.
Reggie and JJ, they're standing still. I reckon I get controlled and killed one of them.
And we're gonna go for operation.
Oh. Oh, he's the juggernaut.
Wait.
He has to be the juggernaut.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I just
Why wasn't there a kill cooldown? That doesn't make sense.
I just saw that happen.
Both kills.
Who did you see
I
do
saw
it?
both bodies fall to the ground. JJ was next to them.
No!
So JJ, why were you there? Why were you running around two dead bodies?
I was controlled.
So Lachlan was left. Vic
I was left with Lockie, yeah.
and I saw Harold again.
No,
Where were you, Toby?
I was in electrical. I ran in as they ran out of
Yeah, you
electrical.
were. Okay, so
So the
everyone's accounted for, apart from
Pie.
JJ, Harry, and Pie.
I'm on top
Harry, where were you?
engine, the
No, I
alignment.
went up into that airlock kind of thing, and then I came to go towards upper engine, and I saw Lachlan.
Yeah.
Oh,
towards
so
Canadian.
Pi and JJ are the two non-accounted
Upper
for.
engine.
I'm on upper engine.
Lachlan, did you see Harry?
Yeah, I can confirm Harry in the top.
So that pretty much puts Pi and Randolph and JJ at a double kill, basically, right?
Yeah, I was at
Yeah.
the
This could be a JJ Randy double, and
Hold on.
Randy's
How,
affected.
Pi? How could it be?
Well, if two
But you,
people are dead.
but you said you weren't there. But were you there?
No, I wasn't
Where
there.
were
I
you?
was in the top left. I said I was in upper engine, but this could
No,
be a double.
no, because you would have seen Lachlan in upper engine, right? Or Harry.
I didn't see Harry
me.
or
It was
Lachlan.
me.
If
It was me.
it was a lot of time in it, I can.
I didn't see Harry or Lachlan up there. But I'm in the corner doing the align.
Wait, who's the swapper?
It's got to
Lachlan.
be.
We
Yeah.
shouldn't vote anywhere. We're all
Lachlan,
sevens.
where did
so
you
yes.
rush?
This is two.
I'm sus of I'm sus of
Stop,
Randy.
stop,
I'm sus of
stop,
Randy.
stop,
Randy.
stop.
Right?
Lachlan,
Guys,
where did you
it's
rush?
7, we don't vote.
Lachlan, where did you rush?
I promise I was
Stop
controlled.
talking a
vote
second,
me then,
please,
vote me then,
please.
vote me
No, we
Okay.
don't vote you,
Top
Randy. We're on 7. We don't vote.
I'm gonna vote Randy. I think he's fucking. There's something about him.
There's something about it. What are we doing?
Oh my god. Oh my god. The swap.
Nice one, swap. Got him again.
We know the swapper's still alive.
So bad. Nah, the swapper needs to get out.
Okay, so am I right in saying JJ is a juggernaut,
Oh, is that what it is?
Randy is the swapper, and then I actually don't know who the killers are.
You don't know who the kills are?
Well, I think JJ is a juggernaut. I don't think he's one of the imposters.
Oh, well, I mean, Harry killed me.
Okay.
I saw him vent, tried to run away, and then.
Why is he just standing still?
I'm so confused. I just feel like Pi was lying about where he was there, and I feel like he was like top right somewhere. And he said he was in top left just because that kind of covers it a little bit.
I don't know what to do. Okay, I need to take control of like someone like. I need to take control of that.
JJ stood still. He just stood still.
Literally just standing still. I'm about to get controlled and then just get kills anyway. Come on, control me, brother. Take my body and make me do a madness.
It's not
What?
Toby because they were moving. They couldn't control either.
What?
So JJ is one of them, or is being controlled. Pi is sus. That's why I tried to swap him.
Let's mix up a little bit.
Okay. Now I'm being controlled. Badly. Why are they controlling me so badly? Well done. Whoever did that, well done. I think JJ is controlling me, right?
Right, I'm gonna just. You know what? I'm gonna go for no control kills now, and that might build me a bit of. Just if I run past JJ, I can say, and I'm running past Lachlan and Andy. So if anyone claims a control kill.
Where is this body? There's got to be a body by now.
Yep, someone's dead. Yep. All right. Everyone was milling about in the cafeteria. JJ has, I think, not moved since the start of the game.
JJ hasn't moved.
Is that suspicious? I think.
It's
I
not.
was being controlled at some point, by the way. It was the worst control. They couldn't even steer me.
Did anyone get controlled and kill it? Like, did anyone do that?
No.
Wait, who was getting controlled? Randy, you got
I got
controlled.
controlled, and it was so bad. So it has to be JJ because they
It's
did nothing
it's
for me.
Pi or Harry.
Why is it fucking?
Yeah.
Why is it me?
No,
Don't
it's not
forget,
Harry,
I
it's
saw
not
JJ
Harry.
next to 2 dead bodies, by the way, last round. I saw
it
JJ.
me?
For this kill. For this
drop.
kill.
Yeah, no, for this kill, it
Two
can't be
bodies.
Harry. Harry
I was
was a...
nowhere near it.
Look, I'm crewmate. I'm crewmate.
Guys, I saw 2 dead bodies drop fresh with JJ in the cafeteria last round. So
I'm
JJ's at
crewmate.
least one of them, man.
I'm crewmate.
I know the body was fresh because I'm investigator and I get a little notification.
Toby's also lying. I think he's trying to bait.
Okay, Toby's a mystic if anyone wants to fire.
Lachlan, where is the body?
It's in electrical.
So could it be a self-report if it's
I think
fresh
it's JJ
then,
and Pi.
Toby?
But the fact that JJ hasn't moved around, there was only one death, leads him to believe he's made his teammate. I don't know.
Yeah.
I had lights off and could have killed me, didn't.
I don't know.
Lachlan and Toby got alibis from last round.
Look, it's Pi.
I don't know what I've done to cause you sus on it.
I'm voting Pi.
Well, I'm voting for you
Yeah.
now, JJ. Now you've said that.
I'm voting
Yeah,
for
fine.
Pi.
Alright.
Big swapper game here. Let's go.
Oh no. Swapper. Oh shit. Swapper.
Swap that shit.
If you swap it,
Swap
you'll
that
save
shit.
me.
We should actually
Swap that shit.
both of you we don't think is
I
going to be.
can't wait for this stinky swap.
Oh, here we go. Oh, wait.
Disgraceful.
No,
That's
this
absolutely
swapper
that's
sucks.
disgraceful.
This swapper sucks!
Disgraceful.
Pi was imposter, right?
Yeah, I was the puppet.
Pi, you were lying about where you were end of the round before when I was up.
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
trying to get you, but no one would fucking stop talking over me. I knew you'd lie.
Yeah, I
knew
tried
you'd
to
lie.
sound- I tried
you
to
were
sound
lying
the
so
corner.
much, but no one would let me speak. I was so annoyed.
I was quite happy about that.
Right, JJ's the swapper because he wouldn't have swapped Pi with himself. Ah! I thought he was going to swap.
I didn't know who this swapper is, man. How can you be this bad?
I'm a swapper. I'm a swapper, but
I hope he doesn't say that he's that he's a swapper. You know, that would be class.
I think it's Pi.
We need to put these fucking lights on, man. I tried to bait him. Lachlan tried to expose me, bro.
It's good table by JJ. It's good table by JJ.
Harry's in there. Harry's gonna kill me. Harry's gonna kill me. Harry's gonna kill me. Oh my god. Harry's gonna...
Could be Randy, you know. Nah, JJ, you're actually doing something.
I can't use this.
Right. Oh, what?
Wait,
That means it was Pi, right?
wait, I just saw you call me.
Yeah.
I did call a meeting.
Nah, that's sus.
That's very sus.
Okay, hold on. Was someone just controlled right now and killed the body?
No one was controlled.
Well, how do you know?
That's
I'm
weird.
not
Yeah,
random.
why would you call a meeting? That's just so sus.
Yeah, what the fuck?
You better be able to swap this shit or you're out, boy.
I have no idea what's going on, man. I have no idea what's going on.
Fuck!
Huh?
No! Fuck! What?
Nah.
I have no idea what's going on.
I thought JJ was the swapper.
Wait, no.
Himself. There's no way.
Wait, still off. What? Wait, what? So we're fucked. Oh no.
What is going on, man?
Ah. Right, I've got to kill him now. That's all I got to do. Can't let him call a meeting.
Surely someone can just kill now. Are they got cooldown?
It's random. It's like, yep. Yep. Run.
We've got to get him.
Yeah. Yes! Wait, it was Harry?
Well played, Harry.
Road to Shore Masterclass.
I told you.
Road to
I
Shore
told
Masterclass.
you.
Wait, so Randolph was the swapper? Oh, you fucking stink.
Random.
Randy was
Yeah,
the
but
swapper.
no, hold on. You guys
so
said the
bad.
swap was bad when we voted for Pi, but I knew it was Pi, so there we go. That's why I didn't swap.
Yeah, that was good, Randolph. That was good.
How did you get 2 kills, JJ?
Well, I don't know.
Yeah, that's what I was
I
wondering.
know. I controlled JJ and killed both when
Yeah,
I was controlling him.
I didn't know you could get 2 kills when you're controlling people.
Please give me a roll, please. Please, I want to be able to do something. Swapper. Fantastic. Hey. Hello. I'm not swapping you. You're okay.
Might just see if I can survive till the end by not saying a word and, like, just say as little as possible.
Maintain support systems on ship. Vent around and fix sabotages.
Come on, let me imposter, please. Please. I just want to be an imposter.
Let's see. Oh, blue. Oh.
Again? Jesus Christ! Oh my my god, back to back. The lobby is broken.
Cool. Where is he? Investigator, what? You can see everyone's footprints. Okay.
Bro, I swear JJ spent this whole game stood still today. Like the entire game he's been stood still.
I'm gonna just stand still.
Oh, it's gonna be so hard to kill him. I might just do it, you know.
So JJ's gonna stand still again, isn't he?
I'm so tempted to do this. I don't care, bro. I don't care.
Fuck, man.
Oh, something's just happened. Something's just happened. Where though? Where?
All right, guys. Well, obviously, Deji and
He was stood
JJ
still
were
in the
just stood
lobby,
still
right?
next to each other,
Yeah.
and then they've killed each other. So Deji,
Yeah,
Deji killed JJ unless he was being
I
controlled.
got controlled.
Of course you did, bro.
What is it when at the end there my whole screen just flashed blue? Like, what is that?
Means someone's killed, I think.
So you're a mystic, so that means
Oh.
oh.
Oh no.
Oh no,
Oh, no.
I mean, yeah, no.
That was the most bait shit ever, bro. That was crazy.
Get got.
Lucky, good job, bro. That was the most easy bait fucking ever.
Hey, Lucky, well played, well played, well played.
He killed JJ, by the way. Meeting's done. He killed JJ and now he killed himself.
Yeah, you killed JJ.
Hey, you cooked. Lachlan, you cooked. You cooked.
Well played, well played.
Yeah, good shift. Good shift.
We needed that, I can't lie.
Ice cold power
Yeah,
Lucky
that's all
moment.
right.
Fucking idiot.
Yeah, shut the fuck up, bro.
Right, I feel like the way for me to do this is almost not Puppet Master and just try and go for a classic.
Well, someone has to do a solo clutch mission. And we actually know that Lachlan and Toby are likely safe because of the way they played that.
It's funny because I'm Mystic. That's why I was confused for a second.
So now I can vent around and show people and flex on people without, going crazy. Here, landed, ready, look.
Someone's just vented. Someone's literally just vented.
Here, Simon, look.
Lachlan's just.
Look at me. I'm an
Lachlan's
engineer.
just vented.
Oh, fix. I can fix it. Fixed it.
Engineer, fix that. It's good to know.
I'm gonna do tasks. I feel invincible now. Oh,
I just want to check which roles are enabled right now.
sorry. I'm an engineer.
Oh,
Yeah, he's valid. He's valid. I was at lights.
Yeah, I fixed it.
Yeah, I went to lights and
Yep.
no one else was there. And so Lachlan is hard cleared. By the way, whoever's on their own, I feel sorry for you because you got to clutch the fuck up now. Like, good luck.
Yeah, serious for you, man. Good luck.
Oh, man.
It's pie, by the way.
It's pie eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah, GG, man.
Oh dear. Right, this is unfucked, but we'll try. Yeah, Lazy's got to go because we know he's crew. Right, so we can't fix the lights again, so that's good. Go for a little drive. Oh crap. That's game over.
I was mid-task. Yeah. Trying to step out hard.
He doesn't do tasks.
is this one of those things where I should just let him cook, or should I just like?
I also saw the other side of it, Lannon. Like, I just walked into the bottom and I.
Yeah, but like, nah, it's a bit cringe if we just let him cook, right?
No, you know
At
what?
this point,
Vic and Lannon both skip. Everyone else vote for one of the five.
That's fun. That's fun.
Okay,
That's
cool.
it's like a roulette
Okay,
wheel.
I like
Okay,
that.
cool. Can't be me,
Okay.
so don't waste a vote.
I know who my vote's going for.
And we're not giving any other information in.
No, we just
No,
vote.
because Vic and Lannon both know who it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, but are we giving any information to our whereabouts, or we just...
Oh no, I don't care. I just vote on vibes.
Yeah,
I
I
vote
want
on
vibes
vibes,
too. Oh.
Damn. Good. I'm gonna make tea anyway.
Are the vibes right?
No.
No! Oh no! Oh no!
Right, I need to literally kill Landon and Laser now that I've got a chance here. When my cooldown gets to like 8 seconds, I'll do electrical and I'll try and find. I just need to find Landon and Laser. We've got a chance.
On that assumption, Vic and Lannon are both clear, but they'll probably die. I think we just vote out someone else. I'm gonna vote out Pie next.
Where is Mr. Lucky?
I'll just hang out with Lannon.
I just don't want to go in there, bro. I just know he's gonna stab me. So I'll just skip again.
Again.
And we just vote on vibes.
Yeah, vibes again. Yeah, just vote off vibes.
What? Is that what we're doing?
Well,
No,
I mean, realistically, the imposters are lost because Vic and Lannon could have just said who it was and it was over.
Yeah, and it's like they really lost the moment Deji was on their team. So like we've really got to be sympathetic. I'm gonna skip here. That's crazy, guys. You guys are so wrong, by the way.
Wait, actually? No, it's not Simon. Deji left me a bit under the.
Why didn't you use Puppet Master, no pie? Why did you kill twice?
No, I'm sorry. No, I said the minute I get it, I'm killing you.
Because my plan was, I thought, now I'm on my own, I might as well try and not use it and claim that it was Deji or something, but it got fucked up when I made that next kill and literally got seen doing it, so...
They gotta stop giving you imposter, man. You're going
Why didn't you say you were being controlled?
Because hadn't you already claimed... Someone already claimed they were controlled, I think. I fucked it. I had a plan, it didn't work.
It's alright, man. You're in a tough spot. It's a tough spot.
I keep getting fucking imposter, I'm like terrible at it, and I keep getting it.
Come on, give me imposter for the last one. Come on.
The fuck?
You fucking twat.
Oh, I'm the tracker.
Mate, oh my gosh. I knew I shouldn't have killed JJ. I decided to go on camps.
Okay, I'm an imposter with Randolph. This is going to be a tough one. I am not a special kind of imposter. I'm just a flat normal one.
What have I got? Okay, great. That was Vic. Oh, let's go. I can control someone, right? So I stand on a task, but it's a slow task, okay?
Engineer. Okay.
Oh, someone just vented.
Okay, so Harry's engineer, so he's killed himself.
Who just vented?
Vicstar. I'll shield Vicstar.
Oh, someone's protecting me.
I swear if I've shielded an imposter again, that happened last time I was medic.
Simon says it's a slow task.
No, I can do my task so quick with engineer.
Okay, take control.
Well, that was a short-lived engineer. No.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna continue doing my task.
I'll turn to making my cup of tea then. Fair enough.
Just keeping it very, very chill. Off the cameras.
Hey, Rand.
What the fuck have you done there?
Didn't even get to you, swapper!
You know what? Honestly, Harry was dead anyway.
That's who I reported. I couldn't see it. He must be doing asteroids because I couldn't even see the body. It just come up with a report button.
I got controlled and killed someone.
Who did you kill?
I don't know. The lights were down. I don't know. It was all a blur.
Where was it?
Top right.
Pie, is
That
that
is
the body
where,
you found?
yeah, that is where Harry's body is. Yeah.
Okay.
So what, JJ telling the truth for once?
I don't know about that one, but...
When Lachlan is really quiet,
Yeah.
he tends to be the killer. So
That is a true observation.
Deji, what about when you're really quiet? Let's try that for once. Try to get together.
It's the first time he's not been out of the first round.
Yeah.
So I think that's why he's not quiet. Because he's...
Wait, why is he not out first round?
no, I'm not the imposter.
I'm voting Deji.
Oh my gosh.
I already
I'm
voted.
skipping.
It's Deji.
Yeah, no, I want to let him play.
It's not.
Who's voted for Deji? That's...
Oh, Lachlan and JJ.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's the duo.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'll do it again.
Okay, so now we know who not to kill, and that is JJ, Lachlan, and Deji.
It's Lachlan. I'm 100% sure it's Lachlan.
This is for the stats, guys. This is for the stats.
Oh, is it? I'm gonna just stay with Lachlan. I'm that confident he's gonna kill me. What?
Fuck's sake.
Shields. Oh, hey, bro. Oh, cool.
Okay,
Alright,
no, wait. I got controlled.
Yep.
I got controlled.
Okay.
Who did you kill?
Alright, that's enough for me.